Bees on Facebook this.
We're gonna put that on Facebook.
I've got to go.
It's only 1:40. You ain't gonna be home.
Huh?
You ain't gonna leave till 2:30.
No, I got to go home, take a bath, put on a little bit of makeup.
If you're home by 3, you gotta be there at what time?
4.
Oh, you can just take a whore bath in the sink. Scrub your tail. Be done with it.
Your dog's trying to jump over.
You should have that nice camera
Reg,
out there, Amber.
when you gonna get out of the boat?
Presley,
You ain't out yet?
Presley,
Reg, pull yourself to the ladder.
excuse me.
I am.
Are
I'm
you having a
floating
good time down
away.
here?
Give me the oar.
Oh God, I can't find it.
Where the heck, Dad? Really?
Pull yourself up here and act like you got a few marbles in you. I thought you were the professional in this boat. Now get up the ladder.
I know, but
You're hitting the bottom. It's not gonna flip.
Hey, Mom.
Reg, you're on
Can we move
mud.
to a house that has a dock near a pond?
I got the boat, Reg. Just go.
grab the ladder. Just grab the ladder
Put
with
one
your left
hand
hand.
on the ladder. Up higher.
And then how can I get up?
You
with
pull
one
yourself up,
Pull
lazy.
yourself up with your hand that's on
Reg,
the
grab
ladder.
the ladder with the other hand up high.
Grab the ladder. Grab the ladder. There you go. Now get up.
I cannot call the Coast Guard, Reg, and rescue.
Can help.
No, no, you're not. You're gonna stand up and get on the damn ladder now.
I know, but
I'll flip the boat, Reg, if you don't.
Thanks, that gives you money.
No, Dad.
Stand up.
If I could
Stand up now.
It's wobbly.
It's not gonna go anywhere. Trust me. Do you have any trust? Come on. Stand the hell up. It's against the ladder, Reg. How can it flip?
It can flip the other way. Yes,
Just get up
Get
here.
up the ladder now.
Put a foot out. Let's go.
Bring your feet
Mom,
out.
there's water right here. Thank you, for God's sake.
There's
But
a
yeah, but if you put your foot on the ladder, you won't have to worry about it.
Reg, step on the ladder.
Put your foot on the ladder. But
foot-
how can I balance one thing with one foot? Just put a
I
foot
can
on the
see
ladder
it,
and don't
yeah.
worry about that
Whoa.
boat. Let that boat go. Let the boat go. Whoa! No!
Step on the ladder now. I got you. Jesus Christ! Ham gotta help me. Ham, grab a hand. Stop.
He's almost in the water! He's in the water! He's in the water!
Bill, come here.
No, you do it. I'll help. I'll help.
Don't pull him. Put your feet on the ladder. All right, we got you.
We got you, bud.
Mom, you're videoing
All right.
yourself.
Bless your heart.
Reg, they love you. They're not picking on you. Don't we laugh
I'm
at them?
thinking.
Don't we laugh at them too?
Yes.
I got you. Just stop being mean. Reg. You gotta stop being scared.
Everything with the Ridge is an event.
This is priceless. I gotta send this to Amber and Richard.
I won't let
Put it
nothing
on
happen to you.
Facebook.
Mom, it's my turn to get
Oh, hey, nobody would know who it is. Don't tell them who it is.
Can we say who it was?
Oh my God, that was
That's You did good, Reg.
At this point, let's give it a rest.
Reg, you did
I'm gonna
good.
take you out.
Get the
Presley,
medal.
don't put boogers on me. Get that booger off.
Don't take your shoes off.
You all right now, baby?
Oh, boogers. There's boogers on your feet, Mom. Huh? There's boogers on my
Oh my God.
I got it. I got it all on video, Richard.
Go ahead, take
You were rude. Mom, you put your foot on the ladder. Put your foot on the ladder. Mom, what? You got boogers on your feet. I just videoed you saying that. Now I do. I do have boogers on my feet.
Let's drop her in. Hold on, baby.